Hello my classics, it's Alana again, and I am sorry that I missed Monday, but I've got a lot of big projects I'm working on for you guys, but I've totally spaced on the fact that I still need to make some smaller projects to fill in the gaps so that you guys aren't just like, what? So I've got something big coming for you guys on Monday. You're gonna love it. I decided just to real quickly do this is going to be a pretty quick video. I'm going to show you how I do my winged eyeliner. That's literally what this is going to be. It's going to be a quick tutorial. I hope I can show it all. Alright, obviously I'm going to use a felt tipped eyeliner. And of course I did do a little bit of a powder eyeshadow just as a base. I'm only going to do the one eye so you can see how it looks. It took me a long time to figure this out, by the way. So don't get discouraged. But I start by holding my cheek a little bit to kind of, because I've got really loose skin as an eyelid, and I see these people are like whoosh whoosh, and I'm like, but I'm not that. So I put my pinky here. It also stabilizes the felt tip, and I draw a line. And it looks kind of silly initially, a little bit. So now I just hold it like this, and you put the tip to where just under the ending point, the top of the line, and you drag it straight across. Don't be afraid if it winds up a little jaggedy. It can always be corrected. And then you just carefully, little bits at a time, fill it in. Very gently too, because if you touch too hard in the inner corner, you'll force your eye to blink, and which will ruin the effect. I've done that so many times, you've seen it. Now I'm using the Tarte Maneater eyeliner, so it's actually really quick drying. It's like instant. I don't know how much it costs. I can't be much help there, but that's it. And then of course, I top it off with a little mascara, just to make those eyelashes blend into it. And of course, if you really wanted to, you can add falsies on top of that, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Falsies are completely optional. I've yet to master falsies, so don't ask me. And there we have a quick tutorial on how you go from this to this. Very dramatic difference, and really it's really easy. Never just go from the inner corner whoosh, because 99% of the time you're kind of like me, you're a little blinky, and it doesn't work. I tried for almost a year. Didn't work. Kept doing the ooh. So unless you're going for the wavy look, then go for it. Well, I hope you liked this quick tutorial. I never thought that I'd actually get to the point where I'm actually making an actual tutorial, so it's kind of exciting for me. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button down below and make that bell ring loud and proud so you know when I post, because I'm doing my best to post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Bye, see you, love you, always thinking of you. Have a really great day. Don't let him get you down. Don't let him dull your sparkle, and remember, do it with passion or not at all. I'm going home. I'll never stop. Hey, Ma.